Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Slack account to your Claude account. So it's really easy and really only takes a few clicks and some menu navigation. And to get started, sign into Claude as I've done so here. And now we're going to move over to the Customize tab, which we can find on the left-hand side of our screen. It should be the bottommost icon. So go ahead and click on that, and then let's go on over to the Connectors tab, and then let's click on the plus button at the top here. So you're going to see an option that says Browse Connectors, and this opens up a window showing you most of the connectors that you might be interested in adding to your Claude account. So go ahead and skim through them, or you can just type in Slack at the top search bar as I've done so here, and you should be able to see it very quickly. So there's going to be a plus button. Go ahead and click on that, and you should be able to sign into your Slack account using your browser. So once you've signed into your Slack account, it should show up something like this, where you're able to customize the permissions that Claude has, setting some actions to require approval and others to be always allowed or to be blocked. So I usually like to keep things as their default until I get to use a specific connector more. That way I have a clear picture of what is more convenient, having some options always be allowed and others to be denied. And once it's properly set up, you should be able to start writing your prompts that interact with Slack. So let's say, for example, you want to summarize all your unread messages or messages from the past, let's say, week, and then create a calendar event for each. You can do so using a prompt that makes use of the connector from Slack and maybe the connector from Calendar. That's pretty much it for this video though. It's really quick and really easy. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.